We would advise to thoroughly research renovation costs to check that the project is firstly financially viable. A professional builder will be able to give you a really good idea of how much your renovation may cost. The next step is to set a budget and be really clear from the outset that any plans drawn on your behalf must be capable of being built within that budget. So to achieve this, we would recommend using a design and build approach. This is where a builder and an architect work together to create the best renovation for a homeowner's budget and vision. It takes a lot of time and research to prepare a detailed quote for a building or renovation project. So on average, our team would invest around 40 hours preparing a formal quote. Professional builders will also need to ascertain that a homeowner has a realistic build budget before proceeding to detailed costings. Otherwise, the builder risks investing those 40 hours preparing a detailed quote, possibly learn that the project isn't within the client's price range. It's best to have an open and honest discussion about your budget up front, because a professional builder can and will tell you whether your budget and vision match. There are many variables which impact on the renovation project's timescale, but it largely depends on the size, the space, and the specification of the project. But before starting a renovation, a professional builder should actually provide you with a schedule of works, and this will essentially outline every job that needs to be done from start to finish, and it includes who's doing what and how long the entire project is expected to take. So from that document, you should get a really good idea of the timescale of your individual renovation.